Yeah, when this first started, our primary mission was search and rescue. Tremendous amount of assets coming into the theater to do search and rescue. First thing we're going to do is save lives. Then we have the capability after that to support the local officials with resources for points of distribution for water, because we have tremendous power outages, water outages still happening here in Beaumont. We're also doing recovery operations, evacuations, moving people out whose homes were flooded, getting them to shelters, helping run the shelters. We did hoist operations with aircraft. At one point we had 160 aircraft, rotary wing aircraft, 30 C-130 aircraft for evacuation. We evacuated the city of Galveston on the island. And then hundreds and hundreds of trucks, active duty trucks, National Guard trucks, all commanded in the JOA here to be able to help the citizens get out of danger, get safe, secure, and then the ones who stayed, we either provide them evacuation capability, additional resources because they don't have water or food. We have pods giving them water, food, ice, just to sustain them until the utilities and infrastructure can come back. Right now, and I'm very proud to say this, in talking to every one of my task force commanders during this operation, we have not denied a single request for support on the ground or a single request for support from the air. So yes, I'd say it's been a very successful operation. This was, while a little hectic up front, this was textbook military support to civil authorities, how we move in, take care of business, and now we're in the process of moving out, getting out of their hair, letting their infrastructure grow, and they'll be ready to go the next time they call us.